Okay. Okay, when you go into the classroom, you have to go to the agenda. Everything that we're going to do in my class is going to be tied to the agenda. All the links and everything. From here on out, I'm not going to have all the cluttered Google Classroom stuff. So, yesterday was Thursday. So, there was a daily question that links directly to the daily question. We needed to create a Padlet. Okay, so if you click on this, it'll open up the daily question. It's going to tell you it's not accepting them right now because that was yesterday's. Okay, create a Padlet. Here's the window. There's a video on how to create your Padlet. Instructions to create a Padlet account if you already didn't create one on the very first day of school. This link will take you to the wall, okay, to build your Padlet. Okay, so I clicked back to Thursday because we're right here. I wanted to show you that right here, there's also a hidden Padlet link. So if you click there and open it up, I'm going to walk you through what the video says really quick. So to make a Padlet, you've got to make a Padlet. Okay, I want you to use a wall or a grid or a shelf for this. So I'm going to use a wall. It's going to come up just generic, whatever. Change this. The title is My Algebra Work. Okay. If that you're in pre-algebra, then that's going to say My Pre-Algebra Work. If you're in Math Models, that's going to say My Math Models Work. Okay. Then the description is your class period. Okay, whatever class period you are in. Okay, icon, you can come back and change that later. This link right here, you can change if you want. It can't have spaces in it, so you don't have to change it, but there it is. Wallpaper, pick something different for your wallpaper. Notebook, calendar, scroll. Let's pick chalkboard, shows up better on the screen. Okay, I'm done with that. The other things I need you to change is I need you to change the attribution. Okay, and I need you to change that comments are allowed, and I need you to change reactions to grades. Okay. After you're done with that, then you're going to do next. Okay, we're going to start posting. Okay, right here, plus. Okay, we're going to add a post. Well, I need something to post. You have a digital journal that you should have started on Wednesday this week. So I'm going to go find my digital journal in my slides, open it up. Okay. Here's one. Okay. So once you've opened this up and started your digital journal, you should have changed your name right here. Once you've watched the instructional video on how to do this and everything, you should have deleted these boxes. Just click on them and hit delete or backspace and it will get rid of them. Okay, to share this, because we're going to be editing this throughout the year, so it needs to be published as a web page. So file, we're going to publish to the web. Okay, I've already published mine. See how I've already hit published here? If I stop publishing, okay, then this is going to look like y'all. So publish it. Yes, you do. Okay, copy it, Control C. Okay, you can also right click and do copy. Okay, go back over to your Padlet. Now we're going to insert as a link. And we're going to paste it. Control V. Or right click and paste. Okay, now save it. It's going to come up like this. That's because when I published it, I set it to required to have a Ore City ISD account. If I don't want that, okay, when I go back over here, I need to, okay, so now if I go back over here and I refresh this, whatever, it should come up now. Okay. Oh. Okay. If it comes up with this icon, that's fine. It's your journal. If it comes up with the journal picture, that's fine too. I just didn't realize I had that one. So file, publish to the web. Okay. And there's my link. So that's what you're going to do for your journal. If you want to edit it, okay, then you can edit it. So now, the next thing that you need to do is the assignment from Thursday. On Thursday of our agenda, we had this combining like terms maze that we did. Okay, you're going to have to create a copy. Once it's done creating this copy, here's your instructions on how to do the assignment is on this first page here. Okay, but so use the start box. That's where you're going to start, and you're going to drag these arrows over. So 3x minus 2x plus 1. Well, 3x minus 2x are my like terms. That's 1x plus 1. I can't combine anything with that 1. So is my answer 3x or is it x plus 1? Oh, it's x plus 1. So I'm going to take this down arrow and I'm going to drag it over here. Put it on top. Okay, then I'm going to do this box. Figure out which arrow it is. Drag that arrow over. When I'm done with this assignment, I'm going to do File, and I'm not going to publish this one to the web because it's a worksheet. Once it's done, it's done. So I'm going to download as an image. Okay, JPEG or PNG, it doesn't matter. Then on my Padlet, if it shows up down here, that makes it so much easier for you. If it doesn't, then we can still find it. So here's my Padlet. I'm going to drag and drop this picture that I just made right there because that's what I want. Oh, I don't need this then. So there we go. There's my Padlet. Notice that this second one is a bonus page. So if you do this one, save this one again, File, Download as a picture. Okay. Drag it and drop it on here again. But this time, we're going to title this one Bonus because this was my bonus assignment. Okay, if you don't see arrows on here, then you didn't copy the one that you did the work on. You just copied the one that I gave you as your worksheet. So, and then you're done adding stuff on there. You need to add me as a member. So add members. My member number is Stuart with an extra T and then a 5. So Stuart T5. You should see my picture. Okay, leave it as can write. Leave that box there. I can't see it on my side if you change that. Okay, and then save it. Okay, once you've done that, then on my side, okay, I can see these that are all shared with me. See, and I can put them in their class periods over here at the side. So here's mine right here that I just shared with myself. Here's the other students' ones. You can change the background to whatever you want. This is how you're going to turn in your assignments to me. That way I have all your assignments and they're not cluttering up my Google Drive. Because if you look, my Google Drive is already a mess from everything that I have in there for teaching purposes. So if I have a bunch of student copy files in there, then it gets really ugly looking because I have a bunch of duplicates of the exact same thing. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you still have any questions, but get that Padlet made. If you have a Padlet that you don't need, erase it.